Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you the free version of Canva in order to open the template files that I have available on my Etsy store. So in this one we're going to be using tags and pockets, and I'm just copying and pasting the design link from the PDF file into the browser. And as you can see, I'll just click off that, no thanks. So I'm not using the app, I'm using a browser for this just to show you how it looks. And this is a free version, and there should be 8 designs in this particular one once it's opened in Canva. Now I'm going to go to the project side and I'm going to click on the folders and add a new folder, call it tags and pockets. Inside this folder I'm going to drag and drop the shadow overlays, which you can also find with the kit. Just select all them, drag and drop them into the folder. Now while they are uploading, I'm going to go back and make another folder, and this one I'm going to just put some papers, some digital papers in there so I can show you how the designs look once they are added to the template. In this one I'm going to be using the Letter Hub Postal Junk Journal kit, which can also be found on my Etsy store as well. And if you go through the different folders, just to show you, there are quite a few little bits of ephemera, different cutouts, different tags. There are actually some papers in the last folder as well, so I'm going to select them, drop them in, full page papers, and just for the sake of showing you this one, I'm going to put the other one in as well. So there's 4 there. And while they're uploading, I'm going to be using the first page in the design, in the templates, the template designs. So click on the papers to use folder. And what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag and drop the design into the frame. So that's what it's going to look like. And we're going to do the same for the other one. Now with this one, because it is on its side, you're going to double click. So it expands the design, and you're going to rotate it to however you want it to fit the frame. Once you're happy with that, just click anywhere off the page and do the same again with the others. I'm just going to add these in and add them at the sides as well. These are the tabs that will fold over and create the pocket once it's printed out, but just so we don't have any white lines showing on the design, I'm just going to add a little design in each frame, and then again with this one, twist it and then just fit it to fit the frame. There we go. Okay then, so now you've got the designs in there. We're going to go back and we're then going to go onto the tags and pockets folder and click the relevant shadow overlay. So once you click it, it will appear on the page. You're going to drag it just to fit the design, so it will sit over the top. And there you can see you've got a bit of a shadow overlay. Now to share this, to download it, you want to click share, download, and then select whichever type of file you want. In this one I'm going to click JPEG. As you can see, trying to up the quality, you will have to pay for any other function on here, so you will get a quality of 80 in the free version. Select the page that you want to download, which is page 1, and click done, and then download it. So once that one is downloading, it will open a window to prompt you to save it in a certain folder. I'm just going to save it into downloads, page 1, tags and pockets. That should do. Enter, and that is saved. Now we can open that as a JPEG. So go to the downloads folder and double click, and there we go. And it's easy as that, guys. So that is, and then you can print from there as well. So that is how to add your designs, add a shadow overlay, and save your file. Now what you can do is you can click on the design and click position and then layers, and you can always make sure that your shadow overlay is on the top. If it's at the bottom, you'll see it just disappear because it sits behind the design. So that's sitting on the top. You've got a nice little vintage sort of edge on the design. There is another way of doing the designs in this particular kit, so we can delete that off the top of the design there, go back. I'm going to create a folder and just call it clean outlines, just for the sake of showing you guys what's what. Open the folder, and we've got clean outlines included in the tags and pockets kit as well. So we want the tag and pocket number 1 design in this one. We drag and drop again like before. And this is just a different type of outline if you want to use it, and you can drag and drop that to the page, resize, and as you can see, it just gives it a bit of a clean outline. And that's all it is, guys. That's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck. Happy crafting.